When you step into a Mercedes-Benz, you're immediately enveloped in a world of luxury. Every detail, from the supple leather seats to the hand-finished wood trim, exudes a sense of quality and craftsmanship. Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of automotive technology. The brand is renowned for its innovative safety features, advanced driver assistance systems, and cutting-edge infotainment options. Whether it's the revolutionary MBUX system with its intuitive voice control or the airmatic suspension that glides over bumps in the road, Mercedes-Benz continuously strives to enhance the driving experience. Performance is another hallmark of the Mercedes-Benz brand. From the refined power delivery of its everyday sedans to the adrenaline-pumping acceleration of its AMG performance models, there's a Mercedes-Benz to satisfy every driving enthusiast. The AMG division, founded in 1967, is dedicated to creating high-performance versions of Mercedes-Benz vehicles. These cars are known for their powerful engines, sport-tuned suspensions, and aggressive styling. The Mercedes-Benz model lineup is as diverse as the drivers who choose them. From compact hatchbacks to stately sedans and capable SUVs, there's a Mercedes-Benz for every taste and need. The C-Class, E-Class, and S-Class sedans represent the core of the Mercedes-Benz brand, offering a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and technology. The C-Class is the entry point into the world of Mercedes-Benz, while the S-Class represents the pinnacle of luxury and sophistication. In recent years, Mercedes-Benz has expanded its SUV offerings to cater to the growing demand for these versatile vehicles. The GLA, GLC, GLE, and GLS SUVs offer a range of sizes and capabilities, from the compact and stylish GLA to the spacious and luxurious GLS. For those seeking the ultimate in performance, Mercedes-Benz offers a wide range of AMG models, including the iconic C63 AMG, the powerful E63 AMG, and the breathtaking AMG GT sports car.